Okay, this is a quick video on our film chapter. And actually, I want to start by talking about what is different about this film chapter. So we've been working with print media up until this point, and now we're starting a whole new unit where we're dealing with electronic media. So, what does this medium have in common with books? If you haven't guessed, no ads are internally in film, right? So we may have product placement like we do with books increasingly, but we don't have, you know, somebody interrupting the film and saying, and now for a commercial break. So that's what it has in common with books. What does it have in common with television? Well, obviously, moving pictures. But it also differs from television because television and radio is regulated, whereas film is not regulated. It is self-regulated, and that is the first time we're using that word in this course, but we'll bring it up at different points for the rest of the semester. It is also the first media to begin in the 1800s. Everything else began several centuries ago, sometimes even more than that. And this is the first one that doesn't get underway until the 1800s. Now, there'll be some precursors to film, but actual film doesn't start until the 1800s. So you can say it's a more modern, not by our standards, but by media standards, beginning media standards. It's more modern than all of the other media we've looked at so far, which have been part of print.